Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove domain from Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Shopify, just click on the Get Started option, and from here you can create a Shopify account using your Apple account, your Facebook, your Google, or you can sign up using a business or working email, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, deciding to remove a domain from Shopify can depend on various factors, and while it might not always be the best choice, say for example, you are migrating your online store to a different e-commerce platform for any reason such as better features, pricing, or customization options, you'll need to remove your domain from Shopify to use it with the new platform. Now, in my case, I have multiple domains registered with different platforms, or I wanted to consolidate them to a single register or platform for easier management. You may choose to remove your Shopify domain and transfer it elsewhere. And in my situation right now, I'm looking to reduce expenses, and I'm planning to remove my domain from Shopify so that I can save the annual domain registration fee charged by Shopify, or so that it'll allow me to explore cheaper domain registration options elsewhere, which is here on HostGator. Now, the next thing that you need to do here is, once you are logged into your Shopify account, you need to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Settings. And from here, all you have to do is hover to the domain section. And as you can see, if you have all the domains right here, there's going to be an option for you to remove your domain. All right, say for example, this one, click on it. And from here, all they have to do is just delete or remove the domain that you wanted to have removed on Shopify. It's a very straightforward process and it's very easy. Now, the thing is, if you encounter any problems with removing domain from Shopify, just go here at the customer support and choose all the situation that you are having problems with. You can also visit the Shopify community, wherein there's an active people or users that is very willing and accommodating to help you resolve your issue about removing domain from Shopify. Okay? Now, before removing your domain from Shopify, it's essential to consider the potential impact on your website's SEO, existing traffic, and customer experience. Ensure you have a clear plan for managing the domain transfer process and any associated downtime to minimize disruptions to your online business. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.